everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jalissa. Today I'm going to walk you through doing a Flexi Rod set. I haven't done a Flexi Rod set in God knows how long, maybe 10 years, and I wasn't doing them regularly before, but I think this came out really cute, so I thought I'd share. So I just washed my hair, deep conditioned the whole thing, and I'm putting my hair in sections because you know it's best to work in sections when you're working with your natural hair. So I'm just sectioning off everything, and then I'm gonna go in with my foam. I'm only using one product, and it's the Mousse Texture Foam. I love this stuff. Really moisturizing, and it holds my styles super well. I really need to try some other stuff from their line. So this is how I install my Flexi Rods. I comb through the section after I put in the mousse, and then I put the Flexi Rod behind my hair and I wrap my hair around the Flexi Rod. That was the easiest way for me. I was not going to be able to move the Flexi Rod. I'm new to this, not true to this, but I just wrapped my hair around and made sure it was secure at the end. After smoothing over your ends, I go up to the top and I pull the Flexi Rod down to secure it in place. It kind of depends on how you put it in, but fold it down in a way that it makes your Flexi Rod feel taut to your head. So by the time I got to this point, I was kind of in a groove, so put it behind, twist, 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 secure your ends, pull it taut. You'll find your groove once you've been doing it for a little bit. In terms of how long it took for me to do my whole head, it took about 35 minutes. And I don't think that's bad considering I haven't done this in God knows how long. And these things are not always easy to do. Alright, this is the last one. Again, I put my foam in, brushing through my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my Flexi Rod behind, twist, 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 and secure. I wasn't disturbing my sleep tonight, so I got myself a hooded dryer and got under that, catch up on some reading. So I sat under the dryer for about 40 minutes. I hope it's dry. Put some oil on my hands for the takedown. Let's see. Now look, but don't judge how I took this down. I had no idea why I had such a hard time trying to twist it out and twist it down, but it worked out. Okay, it's dry. Now let's do the rest of the head. So I proceeded to go around my whole head, untwisting it so awkwardly, but as long as it comes out, you're fine. After taking out all my Flexi Rods, I go into each section and undo those curls. I just kind of go in, I estimate how much I want to take off. There's no signs to it. Look how shiny the mousse got my hair. Like, that looks so good. After I was all done separating, I still kind of went in a little bit more, and I found big sections still, or sections that were bigger and had more hair in, and undid those just so everything looked a little bit more uniform. Again, there's no signs to it. I just kind of felt around and felt where I wanted to separate. These are the results and I love it. So let me know if you want to see a next style in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite products to use on your Flexi Rod sets are. Peace.